and meeting beyond. I hope you enjoyed the secret message using phenolphthalein video. Today I am going to show you another way to write a secret message. So let's go into the video. Materials needed are radium highlighter, a brush, a A4 sheet, UV torch, water. Now take your radium highlighter and then take the radium highlighter nib like this and then put it in the water for some time. Touch this water and then write your secret message. Guys, now the paper is dried. Now let's use the UV light to reveal the secret message. Now the paper is dried. Guys, using this way also you could do secret messages. So, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Grow and Meeting Beyond. Thank you.